Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create virtual hard disk in Windows 10. Friends, you can create multiple virtual hard disk in one physical hard disk in Windows 10. It's very easy step to do. Virtual hard disk will be separate hard disk. You can install operating system on that. You can install other operating system Windows 7, 10 in that virtual hard disk. So let me show you how to create virtual hard disk in Windows 10. So first of all, type here disk management. From disk management we can disk management from disk management we can create virtual hard disk. So just click on create and format hard disk partition here. Now you can see there is a disk management window prompt here. So what we have to do, you have to create virtual hard disk. You can see this is my disk 0 and this is CD-ROM, and we will create another virtual hard disk here. So what we have to do, just click on action menu bar, and you can see there is option is create VHD virtual hard disk. So you can give location here, on which location you want to create. I will select C drive, give the file name TechNet guide, then click on save. So you can see in this location virtual hard disk will create here. So size here you can give size. I will give 2 GB here, 2 GB. Then virtual hard disk format will be VHD or VHDX. So I will select VHD. Virtual hard disk type fixed size recommended here, dynamic expand. I will select fixed size here, click on OK. So you can see virtual hard disk created here. So unlocated space, so just right click on it. You can see this is disk 0 and disk 1 has been created. So this is unlocated space. So you can see it's now it's showing not initialized. Just right click on it, and click on initialize disk. So select disk 1 here and master boot record, click on OK. So now you can see disk is online here. So now just right click on unlocated space. Now right click on it, new simple volume, and click on next. You can see size here, click on next. You can see drive letter, assign drive letter to this drive, click on next. Format with NTFS or FAT, so select FAT here. Perform cube format, click on next and click on finish. So you can see here friends, virtual hard disk has been created here successfully. So friends, you can see we have created virtual hard disk here. So friends, in this video you have seen that how to create virtual hard disk in Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.